Hi, this is Brenda. In this Google Docs quick tip, I'm going to show you how to customize the Google Color Palette so that you can set it to be your preferences. So let's get started. My favorite tool to help me choose colors is color.adobe.com. That's color.adobe.com. And across the top, I like to choose the Explore option. Though in this Create, you can look over here to the side and you can choose different color palettes that you want. Or you can choose the Explore and let Adobe kind of help you choose a palette. So I'm going to scroll and find a palette that I like. Okay, so let's suppose this is the palette I want. I'm simply going to left click on it, and you will see below each color there is a hex number. This is the number that corresponds with that shade and tone of that color. So I'm going to start with this green right here. So I'll simply choose copy, and then I'm going to jump back over to my Google Doc. Just change the background of this slide. So we're going to hit the background, and then when I choose color, here's the basic Google Color Palette. If you click the word custom, you'll see it's got a hex number right here. Well, we're just going to take that one out and we're going to paste in our new one and say done. And now my color is the same as the palette. Okay, let's do it again. So let's suppose I want to do this orange. So I'm going to say copy, and this time I want to do it for my text color. So I'm going to come back over to my slide right here, and let's put our text in. I want to set the background of that text box, so I'm going to click custom right here. I'm going to take out the hex number that's listed, and I'm going to paste in my new one, and now it'll match it. And as I use this color palette that I've created on other slides in the same file, they'll start showing up down here in my custom. You can also play with the gradient a little bit. If you come over here to the gradient, then now that you have those in there, you can play and you can get this little gradient right here. You can also go down here to your solids, go to custom. We'll click the word custom, and you can set the transparency just to slide this little bit. And if you want to be able to see through that, you can change it as needed. Have fun with playing with your colors in Google.